John Pitz, Automobilia 2019 Street Interviews. I'm joined by Eric in this beautiful 32 Highboy. Tell me about your journey with this car.
Well, John, I started out as a Brookville steel body, Brookville frame. It's been modified. It was custom built over the last 2.5 years by an outfit out of Evansville called Reisinger.
Well, I love it. First of all, the license plate says nailed, and you did nail it, and it's actually powered by a nail head, right? So tell us about the power plant in this, the transmission rear end. I mean, because everything on this is just right.
Yeah, well, thank you. It has a Ross Racing engines built 401 Buick nail head. It's injected by a Hillborn injection. It's been a heck of a ride, building it and designing it and putting it together. So it's been a lot of fun.
Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto, insuring your vehicle, insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.